In lesson 4A, we are going to talk about the different note names on the treble clef and the bass clef. Please pay attention because as a musician, we are going to try to learn both clefs, not just one, even though you will primarily play one on your instrument. So we are going to start with the treble clef. And look at the lines that we're putting notes on right here. So, as we go up the staff, our bottom line, line number 1, is E. Now in this space, there's an F, which we are skipping for now. Then we have a G, B, D, and F. The lines of the treble clef go E, G, B, D, F. We can use many different mnemonic devices to remember that. The standard one is Every Good Boy Does Fine. And you are welcome to use whichever one you would like. In fact, in one of the assignments, you get to come up with your own to be as creative as possible. Then, as we look at the spaces, of the treble clef, as we saw in the measure before, those spaces are F, A, C, E. No mnemonic device is required for that because the word just spells out face, and that can help you remember the spaces of the treble clef. Looking at the lines of the bass clef, the bottom line is a G. And as we go up the alphabet, we get the notes of the 5 lines as G, B, D, F, A. And the old phrase for that one is good boys do fine always. Recently, I've been using good burritos don't fall apart, as that is a new favorite of mine. And then the notes in the spaces are A, C, E, G, classically referenced as all cows eat grass. A good phrase to memorize for our Kansas school system. So these are all things that we have learned before, again, all the way from elementary school, but we are looking at those note names again here, trying to get everyone to be more comfortable reading note names. The exercises in your assignments will give you some notes in the spaces, maybe some notes in the lines, and ask you to identify them. And you can reference back to your notes or this video to help you remember what the notes are. We want everyone to be comfortable reading the notes in the treble clef and the bass clef. So let me know if you have any questions, but your lesson 4 assignment should be pretty straightforward.